Are you students zoning out during lectures or struggling to retain key concepts? What if you could turn your classroom into a dynamic, interactive space where students are fully engaged and actively learning? In this video, we will explore 5 proven active learning techniques that will change the way you teach and create a classroom environment where students are not only learning, but truly thriving. But before we move on, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button to stay updated. Active learning is a teaching method that actively engages students in the learning process. Unlike the traditional lecture-based approach, active learning requires students to participate in the classroom, think critically, and apply knowledge during class. But why is this important? Different studies show that active learning improves the students' understanding, retention, and the ability to apply knowledge in practical settings. For university educators, adopting these techniques can transform classroom into dynamic spaces where both teaching and learning are more effective and fulfilling. Let's explore 5 different active learning techniques and how you can implement them in your teaching practice. At the end of the video, a bonus tip will wait for you. So, the first one is Think, Pair, Share. It's a cooperative learning activity that can work in different class sizes in any subject. This technique encourages individual reflection, peer collaboration, and group discussion. So, as an instructor, you pose a question or give a problem statement to your class. Give students time to think about their response individually, then pair students to discuss their response with a person sitting near them, and finally invite pairs to share their insight with the larger group so discussion continues. This activity allows students to get time to think critically and formulate their thoughts, which creates a learning environment that encourages high quality responses. Second one is debates, which involve structured discussions where students take opposing sides on a specific topic, issue, or question. This activity usually encourages students to research, analyze, and articulate their arguments while critically evaluating the perspectives of others. To make it work, you divide students into small teams and assign opposing positions on a relevant topic. Give them some time to research the topic and make sure they present several verifiable points in support of their position. Define time limits for opening statements, rebuttals, and closing arguments. Establish guidelines for respectful discourse and ensure all voices are heard. During the actual debate, you should act as a moderator, keeping time and guiding the discussion. Next, interactive quizzes or polls, which involve using real-time questioning tools to engage students in learning. With the help of technology, you can pose questions, gather responses, and provide immediate feedback, creating an interactive and dynamic classroom environment. It can be anonymous, so shy students can express their thoughts. To integrate quizzes or polls, you can use tools like a Kahoot, Mentimeter, or built-in LMS polling feature. Ask a multiple choice or opinion-based questions related to the lecture material and discuss their results with the class to clarify misconceptions or start discussion. For example, in a psychology lecture, you can ask what percentage of people typically conform to group pressure in social experiment. Poll the class for their guesses, reveal the correct answer, and lead a discussion on its implications. Fourth, experiential learning. This is the process of learning by doing. By engaging students in hands-on experiences and reflection, they are better able to connect theories and the knowledge learned in the classroom to real-world situations. Experiential learning activities include simulations, role-playing, problem-based exercises, case studies, research-based tasks, and other types. For example, in public health course, students can simulate responding to a disease outbreak. They analyze data, make decisions, and present their findings, mirroring the challenges professionals face in the field. These types of activities are beneficial in enhancing critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Last but not least, learning circles. Learning circles are small groups where students work collaboratively to deepen their understanding of a topic. They help foster collaboration and the knowledge sharing to create a supportive learning environment where learners can learn from one another, share insights, and collaboratively solve problems. Learning circles can be used as one-time activity or for the entire length of the course. Form small groups and assign each a topic or problem to explore. Provide groups with resources and let them discuss, research, or create solutions together. Let each group present their findings or lead a class discussion. And a promised bonus tip: start small and build. By this I mean, if you haven't previously tried active learning techniques and it feels a bit overwhelming, start with one technique and build from there. For instance, integrate the Think, Pair, Share into one lecture a week, or use a simple online poll to check students' understanding. As you and your students grow comfortable with active learning, expand your repertoire. So that's all for today. Tell me in the comments which one you would like to try in your classroom, or if you've already had tried some. Thanks for watching this video. To get the new ideas for your course, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell. See you in the next video.